Hello all, welcome back to Python Introduction course. I'm your tutor, Dr. Veenadhari, and today in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to download an Anaconda Navigator and how to open a Jupyter Notebook interface. So here we need to type by opening the Google, we need to type anaconda.org, okay, and by clicking this website will come. You need to click once again, okay, anaconda.org. It will take you to the other website. So here we need to click Anaconda. So after clicking this, site will appear. Anaconda for every data scientist. Python is very important language. Here we are going to download the Anaconda Navigator. Here, by moving to products, here we need to click individual edition. Remaining all editions are not available in free. Those are all commercial editions. So we need to press individual edition. By clicking the individual edition, the Anaconda individual edition, so just the icon appears download. This is for Mac, and for Mac and for Windows, the same thing we need to download. If it is in Windows, just click this. So it will redirect to Anaconda installers. Here for Windows, Mac and Linux, 3 versions are available. For 3 operating systems, Python 3.8 only available. So you need to check whether your operating system is 64-bit or 32-bit. Just we need to check. So here the Mac operating system is there. So we need to click this one. According to your system configuration, you need to click it. You need to download any version of this. Here, one thing we need to take care of it. Here, the approximately this is 477 or 440 MB we need to download. So it will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes for downloading. So once if you're clicking this, by pressing this, here you just close. And here it will take to Anaconda package, okay, 64 package, okay. Here already I have already downloaded here. So if you want to show it in folder, you just click it, the folder, it will be showing on your downloads folder, okay. So I'm stopping here. After this package we need to install and download, okay. So by clicking this, after downloading, you need to just click this. Automatically the Anaconda Navigator will be installed in your system. So if you're having any troubleshoot, just in chat box, just type your questions where you are getting for downloading, where you are getting problematic. So I will explain you through the chat box, and live sessions also I will explain, okay. So after this, the Anaconda Navigator, after downloading the Anaconda Navigator, and now we will just check which Anaconda Navigator has been downloaded, okay. So here in Mac, we need to just go to the terminal, okay. In terminal, we need to just type which Anaconda Navigator, which Conda version installed in your system. Just type Conda info. Just type it Conda info. So for better understanding, I'm just expanding it, okay. So type Conda info. So after typing the Conda info, just press enter. Okay, this is actually the Conda information. The all Anaconda Navigator information appear on your screen. In Windows also, you just go to the command prompt, and Anaconda prompt, you just click there. You need to type Conda info, okay. So here it is the version, Conda version is 4.10 and the Conda build version 3.80 and Python version is 3.85. And suppose already if you have the Python Navigator, this Python ID tool here, just type the Python. So it will take you directly to the Python Navigator. 3 greater than symbols are there. So you can directly do the coding here also. Suppose if I'm writing 3 into 4, so it will return the 12, okay. So anything we can write it. If you want to exit, you just type exit bracket. So it will be exiting, okay. So this is how you need to install the Anaconda Navigator on your system, okay. So after installing this Anaconda Navigator, so it will be look like this. The Anaconda Navigator will be appearing like this. So Anaconda Navigator, after launching in applications, the Anaconda Navigator app will be downloaded on your system. So by clicking the Anaconda Navigator app, so Navigator will open like this. Here in Anaconda Navigator, there are so many tools are available. One is a Jupyter Notebook, which we are going to concentrate on this module, this Python introduction course. And another important famous tool is Spider. Spider also very important, important and famous also. Spider editor also we can use for Python programming. And one of the most famous Orange data mining tool also available. And if you want to work with the PyCharm also available. So if you are working with R Studio also available with this Anaconda Navigator. So GlueVis, one of the multi-dimensional data visualization tool also available, that is GlueVis. Okay. So here the launch icon is appearing. That means I have already installed these many tools in my computer. So the launch icon appeared. Okay. If you want to install, the install icon will appear. Okay. So here already the Jupyter Notebook has been launched. Okay. So by clicking the launch icon, so it will redirect you to the Jupyter Notebook. By click, I'm just clicking it. Okay. So these are all the tools available with Anaconda Navigator. So we are concentrating on Jupyter Notebook interface. Okay. This is the tool, IDE tool. So here by clicking the launch icon, okay. So it will take to you Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. Okay. Just a second. Okay. So this is what Anaconda Jupyter Notebook will appear like this. Okay. Jupyter Notebook interface here. So if you want to open the new Jupyter Notebook code, if you want to open that, so here clicking the new and Python, by clicking this, it will redirect you to the Jupyter Notebook interface. So the Jupyter Notebook interface will look like this. Okay. Hope you understood what I have told. Just download the Anaconda Navigator and open the Jupyter Notebook. So next we will see how to work with the Jupyter Notebook. Thank you. Bye-bye.